Hi, I'm Dr. Levi Jurich, owner of Jurich Dental Family and Cosmetic Dentistry, and I want to talk to you today about porcelain crowns and veneers. Over your lifetime, your teeth can become altered due to things like eating habits, excessive wear and tear, age, or even genetics. These circumstances can cause teeth to lose their desired charm. Both dental crowns and veneers can help to bring back your smile's appeal, and they fix many problems associated with things like discolored teeth, worn down, weakened teeth, loss of enamel, chipped and broken teeth, misaligned or uneven teeth, irregularly shaped teeth, or even gaps between teeth. Dental crowns and veneers are a thin, shell-like ceramic cover that enhances your natural teeth and helps you create a confident smile you deserve. Some of the benefits of porcelain crowns and veneers are: 1. Natural aesthetic. Crowns and veneers are great for dental overlays because of the realistic look. Since the materials used in both are glass-like ceramic, the translucency is almost identical to that of your own teeth, giving you a very realistic and natural smile. 2. Strength and durability. Crowns and veneers provide a strong and lasting surface. With the proper care, they last for years and are resistant to staining. 3. Renewal of your appearance. By concealing discolorations and imperfections, veneers and crowns renew your beautiful smile and increase your self-confidence. They can even change the size, color, or shape of your teeth. Dental crowns and veneers are custom fit to your individual teeth, giving the ability to create a smile that fits your mouth. If you are interested in learning about dental crowns or veneers, please give us a call here at Jurich Dental or visit our website at jurichdental.com.